want to show you withdraw your earnings from Niki Live App. So the first thing you need to log into your account. If you log into your account, this is the first page you'll see. Right here, this is the first page you'll see. So for you to withdraw your earnings, you need to click on me. So if you tap on me right away, it will direct you to where you are supposed to see all your information, your level, your task, your agency, everything that you need about yourself, your earnings, your recharge, the coins you have. Okay, so the video is all about how to withdraw the earnings. So the first thing, if you want to withdraw, you have to come here and tap the number of beans that you have. Remember, we have beans and coins. So in the next video, I'll talk about difference between coins and beans. So for now, it's all about how to withdraw money from Niki Live App, or how to withdraw your earnings from Niki Live App. So this is it. So you tap on the beans. Sorry guys. Okay, so if you tap on it, it will direct you here. Right here we have the coins and we have the income. So income is the beans, can be withdrawn and exchanged for coins. Okay, if you like, you can also turn the beans into coins, but if you want to withdraw, this is the way. So you just tap on there, then this is what you will see, or this is the page that will appear when you tap on that. You'll be able to see the number of beans again. And so for now, because we don't want to exchange, we want to do what? We want to withdraw. And guys, remember, the amount you can exchange in a day, the amount of beans you can change in a day is 1,500,000 beans at most. You get? So guys, after that, you're going to click on withdraw so that you can see the amount that has been confirmed and we can withdraw. So as you can see right here, guys, this is the total amount. It will appear here. Then these are the amounts that have been confirmed and are withdrawable. And amount to be confirmed is whereby you have to wait for about 50 hours after you've earned. You have to wait about 50 hours for the system to confirm the amount. And after it has been confirmed, it will go to where it's supposed to be withdrawn, or where it is withdrawable. So you can see right here, guys, it is written upside here, amount to be confirmed. The system will check the security of the source of the amount. It is expected that this amount can be withdrawn at any time after 50 hours, just as I said before. So you can see right here, this one has been confirmed, so I'm able to withdraw it. You can see the day, the date, everything is right there. So guys, the minimal withdrawal is $10, and remember, the minimal withdrawal depends on the withdrawal method that you want to use. So right here we have different, if you want to see the withdrawal methods, we have many of them according to the country you're from. You can see right here, I'm from Kenya, so that is why you can see my flag right there, up there. So these are number of, or the list of withdrawal methods. So if you need to change the withdrawal information, please contact customer care. As for me now, because I've bound my account, you see, my account is bound. I bind it with a USDT wallet, that is crypto. So if I want to change anything, I'll have to contact customer care right here to inform them that I want to change my withdrawal method, and I'll need help from them. So you can choose from all these payment methods. And first, for me, if you use this, you can as well use this, because here you'll need to click on bind. If you tap on bind, they'll need you to put the address. And remember, the address they use is TRC20. That is still Trons. That is still the same as USDT. You can see right here. So if you choose Binance or USDT, is still correct. It's still okay, because you're still going to use the same wallet address of TRC20 USDT. So then you'll have to enter your address right here, then click submit. So mine has already been bind. So guys, you can see the same thing. You just click on bind for you to bind. And as you choose payment method, please remember to consider the arrival hour, then again consider service fee. So as for me, I prefer using, okay, ePay seems to be so less. It is minimum $1, and again the fee is 1%, but Binance and the USDT, the fee is 1.5%. So if you want to use M-Pesa, remember the fee is 3%. So if they deduct some amount for fee, don't be shocked. You can use PayPal. So guys, let's see, because my account is already been by bonds. So I'm just going to tap on withdraw. So I'm going to put the amount I want to withdraw. I want to withdraw 61. I'm going to leave the remaining there, so I can withdraw maybe next time. And you can read right here, down here guys, withdrawal instructions. 1, withdrawal ratio, 10,000 beans is equal to 1 USD or 1 USDT. Okay, I'm saying 1 USDT because 1 USD is equal to 1 USD. And remember, USDT is just Binance Tether or Tether Binance. Sorry, not Binance. It is US Tether. That is why it is called USDT. So it is just US dollar Tether. So it's just the same. $1 is equal to 1 USDT. I'm sorry about that. So you can see minimum withdrawal amount is 10 USD, and the minimum withdrawal amount for USDT or Binance is 20. That is why I was saying, as you choose payment method, you also consider the minimal amount of withdrawal. So the second is the third-party withdrawal channel will charge a certain handling fee, which will be deducted from your withdrawal amount. The platform will provide corresponding reference instructions for the handling fee collection limit, and the specific rules of the third-party platform shall prevail. So guys, that is it. I'm going to click on withdraw. So you can see right here, withdrawal. Okay, successful operation. So you can see the amount has been deducted from account, and I'm going to wait for it. And remember, they said arrival is 2 hours. So let's wait guys until I receive it is when I will record again. About after 30 minutes, you can see this is my email that deposit confirmed. So you can see 60 USDT. So they charge 1 USDT as fee. So I'm recording this video late, though the money was sent after 30 minutes to my Binance account because I withdrew through USDT address. So I'm going to take you to my Binance to show you the payment from Niki Live App. So you can also see from the app, congrats, your withdrawal is successful. So guys, you can see right here my balance in a Binance account. So let's see the notification that the money was sent, 60. So they used $1 as fee, which is not bad because I used USDT address and they were charging 1.5% as withdrawal fee. So you can see right here the deposit successful. So if I open it, and you can see right here, okay, your deposit was currently that time it was currently being processed. Then immediately it was deposited around 12:33 UTC time. So guys, I'm just trying to say that Niki Live pays, and we are enjoying in Niki Live by just doing simple things. Why have you not joined? So if you want to join, the link is on the description. If you're watching on YouTube, if you want to join, you're watching from TikTok or any other place, the link is on the link is in comment section, not description. I'm sorry guys. So that is all I want to show you for now. So I want just to show you, you can see the payment was done. This is my Niki Live account. Network is so slow, so you can see some people are live. You can see right here assistant, you can see right here. If I want to check the details, I just click on the details, then I'll be able to see every detail of what I withdrew. So you can see right here, so it was completed. So guys, that is all Niki Live, and that is how to withdraw money and receive from Niki Live account. Follow for more videos.